Next topic here is role of profit in the business. As we had already discussed that business is an economic activity. Its main aim is to earn profit. We can't say that business is always aimed only at earning of profit. It is not considered as the sole objective of the business. Other objectives of the business we had also discussed, that is human objectives, social objective. But profit earning is considered as the prime motive of business. So, every businessman earns profit for various reasons, which are number one, survival. Here, survival means existence of business in the market for a long time. This existence of business in the market for a long time is not possible without earning of adequate profit. Adequate here means एक सर्टन लेवल तक, एक सर्टन लेवल तक अगर बिज़नेस में प्रॉफिट नहीं होता तो बिज़नेस का मार्केट में सर्वाइव करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. द सफिशेंट प्रॉफिट बिजनेस मस्ट अर्न सफिशेंट प्रॉफिट सो दैट इट कैन कवर अप इट्स कॉस्ट, एंड आफ्टर कवरिंग अप इट्स कॉस्ट business must have some income which supports businessman for bearing the risk, which is treated as the reward. That's why we said कि profit is treated as the reward of the businessman. Every businessman wants to earn income for his livelihood. So profit is needed to satisfy the needs of businessman एंड फॉर द नीड्स ऑफ हिज फैमिली मेम्बर्स. अगर प्रॉफिट ही नहीं होगा, अगर उसकी और उसके परिवार की ज़रूरतें ही पूरी नहीं होएगी तो what is the fun of business? Business is a economic activity and all the economic activities of a human being are aimed at earning of income for the livelihood of a person and his family members. So for the survival of business for a longer period, there must be sufficient earning of profit from the business. Second here is expansion and growth. Now, the success of a business, it depends on the growth and expansion rate of a business. How can you measure the success of a business? When you will see that number of branches are to be opened by that business entity. तो किसी भी बिज़नेस की सक्सेस को जज करने के लिए, मेजर करने के लिए आप किन चीज़ों के ऊपर ध्यान देते हैं? व्हाट इज़ द सेल टर्नओवर ऑफ द बिज़नेस इन अ ईयर? उस बिज़नेस की सेल टर्नओवर एक साल में कितनी है? हाउ मैनी नंबर ऑफ ब्रांचेस दैट बिज़नेस हैज़? उस बिज़नेस की कितनी ब्रांचेस हैं, कितने चेन स्टोर उसने और खोल दिए हैं? डाइवर्सिफिकेशन ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स, कितने टाइप के प्रोडक्ट वो मैन्युफैक्चर कर रहा है? इन सभी चीज़ों से हम किसी बिज़नेस की सक्सेस को, प्रॉस्पेरिटी को जज करते हैं. सो हाउ द बिज़नेस कैन बी एक्सपेंडेड? नाउ फॉर दैट एवरी बिज़नेस नीड फंड्स. अब if the profit will be sufficient to meet the cost or to meet the needs and requirement of the businessman, the excess of profit over the income of the businessman is retained in the business. retain करना मतलब सारे का सारा प्रॉफिट कोई भी बिजनेसमैन अपने घर पे खर्चने के लिए नहीं लेके जाता. उस प्रॉफिट का एक हिस्सा हर साल वो बिज़नेस में फ़ंड के रूप में बचा के रखता है ताकि आने वाले समय में बिज़नेस को बढ़ाने के लिए जो भी फ़ंड की रिक्वायरमेंट है उसको वो पूरा कर सके. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड रिटेन्ड प्रॉफिट, यानी प्रॉफिट का एक वो हिस्सा जो बचा के वो हर साल बिज़नेस की एक्सपेंशन के लिए जोड़ रहा है. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड रिटेन्ड प्रॉफिट, रिटेंशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट. सो दिस रिटेंशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट इज़ एन इंटरनल सोर्स ऑफ फंड. अगर आपके पास रिटेन्ड अर्निंग है, जोड़ा हुआ धन है बिजनेस का, तब यू विल बी मोर इंडिपेंडेंट, बिकॉज ना तो आप किसी को रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट आपको पे करना है और ना ही अमाउंट ऑफ लोन की पेमेंट की कोई आपको चिंता है. सो द रिटेन्ड अर्निंग जो जोड़ा हुआ धन है बिजनेस का, that makes business entity more dependable and it is the very cheapest source of finance. लेकिन इसके विपरीत अगर आप बाहर के लोगों से, if to meet the financial requirement of the business for expansion and growth, we arrange funds from external sources like banks, financial institutions, money lender. What they do, they charge high rate of interest. And there is also, so business, if business arranges funds for growth and expansion from outsource external sources, business has obligation to repay the interest and to repay the amount after the fixed time interval, क्योंकि वो लोन एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम के लिए लिया है, उस टाइम पीरियड के बाद आपको वो लोन की किस्तें लौटानी पड़ती है. लेकिन इफ़ बिज़नेस हैज़ इंटरनल सोर्स, अगर बिज़नेस के पास इंटरनल सोर्स है यानी सफिशेंट प्रॉफिट कमाया, उसका एक हिस्सा जो है वो रिटेन करके रख रहे हैं फ्यूचर प्लानिंग के चलते, दें कि वो आने वाले समय में अपने बिज़नेस को बढ़ाएंगे, देन इट विल बी वेरी कन्वीनियंट फॉर अ बिज़नेस टू ग्रो और टू एक्सपैंड इट्स बिज़नेस. So third point here is symbol of efficiency or an index of performance. Profit. It indicates that whether business is being managed efficiently or not by its management. So it's a barometer of performance of the management, how the management is managing the business. If profits are higher, it indicates that management of the business is efficient. If profits are lower, it indicates that management of the business is inefficient. So basically people judges the success of a business by its ability, its capability to earn profit. So earning capability of a business is treated as the index of its performance. Fourth here is reward for bearing the risk. Profit. Profit is considered as a price or reward which is to be paid to the businessman for bearing risk, because business is full of risk and uncertainties. So profit and risk, these both factors are directly related to each other. It has been said, business में कुछ ऐसे कहा जाता है, higher the risk, more is the profit, lower the risk, less is the profit. जितना आप रिस्क लेंगे उतना प्रॉफिट अर्न करेंगे, जितना आप कम रिस्क लेंगे उतना आप कम प्रॉफिट अर्न करेंगे. Fifth point here is help to gain reputation or goodwill. Goodwill here means name, fame and reputation of a business in the market. So profit means earning capability. If a business has a good earning capability, business is earning higher profit, it has a better reputation in the market as compared to companies which are earning low business or which are running in losses. So this capability of a business means rate of earning profit help in creating a good reputation, means a goodwill of that business entity or company in the market. आपने शेयर्स के बारे में सुना होगा, जो बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज़ हैं, लोग उनके शेयर्स को ख़रीदने में अपने पैसे लगाते हैं. द बिजनेस एंटिटी और अ कंपनी whose earning capability is more, the market price of their shares increases with the increase in the profit. The companies with higher rate of profit are able to raise loans एंड ऑब्टेन क्रेडिट मोर इजीली। जिन कंपनीज़ की अर्निंग कैपेबिलिटी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, हायर प्रॉफिट होते हैं, तो जो एक्सटर्नल सोर्सेज ऑफ फाइनेंस है, बैंक्स, मनी लेंडर्स, फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन, वो बहुत इजीली उनको लोन दे देते हैं अपने बिजनेस को बढ़ाने के लिए। इवन जो एफिशिएंट एम्प्लॉयज़ है, इवन द एफिशिएंट एम्प्लॉय, दे प्रेफर टू वर्क इन अ company or business entity which is earning more profits, high degree of profits, because these business entities can offer them high salaries than the other companies or other business entities. So it is helpful, the profit, higher the profit is helpful to maintain a good reputation of the business entity in the market, in the eyes of money lender, in the eyes of investors who invest their surplus savings in the form of buying the shares, or in the eyes of competent and efficient employees who are seeking for the good jobs. So this is all about the role of profit in the business. Here in the flow chart you can see role of profit. This flow chart help you all to learn the headings of the topic so that you can easily understand and you can write the topic more in a better way in the examination. Like the first role, point of role we had discussed, that is survival of the business. Second, expansion and growth. Third, symbol of efficiency or an index of performance. Fourth, reward for bearing the risk. And the last, helps to gain
now here is a
goodwill or
case
reputation
study
in
regarding the
market.
topic we had discussed right now.
Profit, here in the inverted commas, it has been written, profit is not an object but a requirement of the business. Do you agree with this statement? Support your answer with reason. This is not the case study, this is an indirect question regarding this topic. एक तो डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि explain the role of profit in the business. This is an indirect question. Profit is not an object but a requirement of the business. Do you agree with this statement? Support your answer with reason. So explanation is, answer is written. Here the points are given. The answer here is yes, I agree with the statement that profit is not an objective but a requirement of the business. A business must earn profit because of the following reason. First, survival. Second, growth. Third, symbol of efficiency. Fourth, reward for risk bearing. And the fifth, improves goodwill. These are the headings. अगर आपसे एक नंबर का कोई एक या दो नंबर का क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए तो आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. If it is a long question, then you are supposed to give the explanation of these points.